Hey guys, this is me Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Welcome to a new job update video in this channel. So today in this video there is a big update from a huge company. The budget is also good for this job. Main part of the job is that any fresher can apply for this job and minimum qualification should be the graduate. So if you are graduate from any stream, you can apply for this job. If you are interested for this job, please watch the entire video. In the video, I have mentioned every single details of the job, like the job requirement, the job role. Also, I have mentioned how to apply for this specific role. If you are new to this channel and want to get regular job updates, career updates, course updates, everything from a single channel, you can subscribe the channel. Also, enable the bell notification to get notified from this channel. So without wasting any time, let's dive into our video. Hi everyone, this is me Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today there is a new job opportunity from Oracle company. The job role is Technical Analyst 3 and it will comes under technical support and it is an entry level role in Oracle. The location of the job is Bangalore and they have mentioned all the relevant details in this box. So I'll provide you all the information and also I'll provide you the job application link in the video description so that you can also apply for this role. As you all know, Oracle is a leading product based company, and if you can clear the job, you can expect a salary range between 6 to 10 lakh per annum. So let's discuss about the job description. So here they have mentioned job category comes under support and role individual contributor. Job type will be regular employee and years of experience 0 to 2 years experience they have mentioned. So it means if you are a fresher you can apply, and if you have at least 2 years of experience you can apply for this role. Now in job description they have mentioned only 3 points as it is a entry level role. So they have mentioned we are seeking someone with 0 to 2 years of experience, possessing the following qualification: technical background, bachelor's degree in computer science, information technology related field, relevant experience with any bachelor's degree is also considered, communication skills, exceptional written and verbal communication skill. And in responsibilities they have mentioned 5 responsibilities. So basically in technical support you just need to work parallelly with the developer team, and if any kind of problem arise in production you need to fix the issues. So if you are a fresher you will get the KT or you will get the training from the developer team or from the senior team. So just check on the fundamentals like how operating system works, how network works, and how the server connectivity, software development life cycle works, that you should know. And if you have knowledge on any programming language, that will be a plus for you. Okay, so they have mentioned 5 points. You can read these and accordingly you can design the resume. The required skills they have mentioned: customer satisfaction, communication skills, and technical support. Okay, then they have provided some details about the company, and after that you can find the apply now button. If you are interested you just need to click on the apply now button. It will redirect to the next page and it will provide you the form. You need to fill up the form and you need to apply online. So that's all about today's job update. If you are interested for this job, just check the description area and apply online. And if you are new to this channel, I'll recommend you to subscribe this channel to get regular job updates. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye. If you find anything informative in this video, please do a like and subscribe to this channel and support us. Also, if you have any query or any kind of discussion, you can follow me in Instagram. My Instagram ID will be present in the description box, so you can directly DM me for any kind of discussion. Also, I will provide all the job links in the description box. You can directly redirect to the apply page in the job portal. So for today, I am signing out. Take care. Bye.